My name is Will Hoffman, and I was dealing with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And at first, when I saw the advertisement on the billboard, I thought that was a motto and not the name of the company. And to my amazement, my property was sold in short order by Rudy and Michelle. And I'm very grateful for the speed and the pricing that I received on my property. I sold the property through Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and I was very pleased with it. It was sold in Rosemead with great speed and a minimum of, or actually without any problem at all. I sold the property because my wife and I had figured that we would do that. We had a new place to live in, and the property was vacant, and that's why we sold. Well, I'm living in Altadena now, and we've been there since beginning of last year. I had interviewed several agents previously, and I was most impressed with Michelle and the approach for the company. And I didn't experience that previously in other sales that I've done in the past. And that impression, of course, was very positive, and Michelle helped me greatly in going through the process. Actually, I was very amazed at the speed, considering my past real estate experience. I received multiple offers on the property that I was selling. Michelle helped me through that greatly, and I was gratified with all of them. And they were all solid offers, even more than we were expecting to get. And that was a very positive outcome. The decision and everything is, I was just amazed. I was amazed with the speed. I've sold property in the past, going back a ways, and it used to be the first property that we bought when my wife and I first moved out here. It was, I think, almost 9 months to a year was not unusual. So
it took your first property took 9 months to sell?
Well, it was on the market for 9 months.
Wow, that's a long time. This one in just like less than a week.
But when we bought it, it was many years ago.